Hi there, I've got a quick ninja art tip video for you today, and you're catching me in summer holiday mode. So this is a really cool tip for people in Australia. I know in the USA you may not have a similar sort of thing. I know this is available in Australia and New Zealand. If you go to a hardware store, it's a big chain that we've got here called Bunnings, then they have this thing where they have modular kitchens, and you can get little sample panels for all the different types of cupboard colours that you want to put into your kitchen. They're called caboodle kitchen things, and I've discovered that if you go and grab one or two of these little sample boards, they're on really good strong wood, and it's a beautiful shiny white melamine surface on here. This is all wrapped in plastic. If I pull the plastic off, you'll get this perfect little art palette for oils, acrylics, watercolors, and it's just kind of the perfect size for just small jobs. It's about an A5 size, which is about half A4 sheet. It's about half US letter size. And it's just the handiest little palette to have if you've got a small desk and you're doing some journaling, or you want to throw it into a runaway from home kit where you take your watercolors out when you're traveling, and you want a small palette that will fit. It almost slips into the back of your A5 size journal when you're traveling. But look at this, the huge price that you have to pay, $1.98 to grab one of these panels. And I just love them because they're the perfect size. So here's one that I've unwrapped. You can see it's whitish on the back, and I've chosen a really white, shiny, glossy, this is like a thermo wrapped surface. This one's called Buttermilk. It's just a really white. And I've got some paints laid out on here, but you can use this as a mixing palette and mix up your beautiful colors here, right in the middle. And the best part is that this washes out really clean, really easily afterwards. So you can wash it down. If you've used oils, you just use a bit of medium to wipe it down. If it's acrylics and it's already dried, a bit of boiling water on the top of that, or soak it in hot water. I don't know how it would go with laminating, but I usually just wipe it clean right after I've used it. So that's my ninja art tip for today. It's really cheap solution to get a gorgeous little size palette that works really well.